Hi everyone. Today we are going to see what is merge conflict, how it occurs, and how to fix it. So first, let me. Okay. So I am in a sample project. Let me switch to master branch. Okay. So I'm going to pull the latest master. So whenever you start the work, first thing you have to do pulling the latest master. Okay, I'm having the latest changes. So for sample, I'm going to edit some of the lines in first.js. In third line, I'm going to put one more console. Third line. Okay, and in hello.js, in second line, I'm going to put on console second line. Okay, in third.js, I'm just editing the second line. Okay, so let me create a new branch. So I'm going to create a new branch. Let's name it my change one. Okay, so I have created a new branch. So I'm going to add these changes. Then my change one. I'm giving some sample commit message, and I'm pushing to the repo. Okay. So my changes are pushed to the repo. Okay, I'm going to create a merge request. Have created a merge request, and these are all my changes. Now I'm going to merge it. So every changes will be merged to the master. Now I'm going to switch my branch again into master, but assume that I'm accidentally forgot to pull the latest master before starting my work. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm having the old master in my local. I'm changing the same line. I'm changing the same line from my previous change. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to create new branch. Consider the branch name is my changes 2. Okay, so here I'm having on console.log. For example, let me check in the changes. So in first.js, I'm adding another line. Okay, so without pulling master, I'm changing another line. And hello.js also, Okay, here also it's just an example I'm just giving. Okay, so what I have done is I have changed the same line. Oh sorry, the dodges. Okay, so I have changed the same line of the previous changes, but I didn't put the latest master. Okay, so now consider I am pushing these changes. I am adding everything at a single hit. Okay, I'm just committing the changes. Okay, I'm just pushing the changes. Okay, hope the changes will be pushed to the repo. Okay, my changes too. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a merge request with the changes what I have done. So now what the repo will do, it will check the possibility of merging the current changes into the latest master. Look, so when it's trying to merging the my changes to into the latest master, it found that there are some changes already present from the previous branch, which giving the merge conflict. This is the reason for the merge conflict. Okay, so to solve it, what I am going to do, so this is my current working branch. I am going to check out to the master branch and I am pulling the latest master. Okay, latest master. Let's give Control J to open the terminal. For this purpose, just I'm using the terminal. So git checkout my changes to, this is I want. So I have switched back to my changes to branch, and what I am going to do is locally I am going to merge the master, that means the latest master, into my changes to branch. So now you can see it showing what are the conflicts. As I changed the same line from my previous branch and current branch, it's showing the conflict. So to solve this conflict, just go and search this file showing the changes, but for the entire application you have to check wherever the conflict occurs. So just give this symbol and search globally, you can find. In VS Code it is easy to fix the conflict. What you have to do, check which line is important for you. So there is another line and a third line. Consider in this first case I need both of these changes from the previous merge and from the current merge. I need both of these changes, so I'm just copying this change and pasting it into the accept current change place. So if I give accept current change, both of the changes will be accepted. Okay, now click the second scenario. So this line is unwanted, all the old code. The incoming change is the important change what I need. So I am just going to give accept incoming change. So the incoming change is accepted and it is saved. And third scenario, it is an important update, and this is one change, another update. Let's consider I need both changes. Just I am going to give both the changes. Okay, now I solved all the conflicts. Again I'm going to add all those changes. Okay, then I'm giving the commit messages. conflict fixed. Again I'm going to push my changes to the repo. So the changes has been pushed to the my changes to branch. So let's check here. The GitLab is checking whether it is possible to merge the latest change to the master. You can see here that we have resolved the conflict, and now we can merge the my changes to branch into master. So I'm merging it. That's it guys. Thanks. See you again.